Alright, Bonsai Rides here with the oldest Delica we've ever imported. This is a 1989 P25W Starwagon. It's got the square headlights, smaller push bars, but otherwise quite similar to the later model Starwagons we've been bringing in, the L300s that we're used to. This one's an 89 because it's bound for the US over the course of the next month or so, hopefully. And it is in surprisingly stunning condition. The paint on it is near perfect. There are a few minor blemishes on it. Cosmetically it's great. Mechanically it's great. The original National deck. National was the old name for Panasonic. We've got an altimeter and an angle meter. Power windows. A little bit of record keeping from the old owner there. Under the passenger seat, we've got access to the 4D56T. Single battery. It's a turbo diesel. I do plan, hopefully plan to blank the exhaust gas recirculation, change the timing belt water pump, install a exhaust gas temperature gauge. Inside this P25 we have rear 2 benches, a big sunroof, and like the 7-passenger versions with the middle row of captain seats, the middle bench does rear face. There's a lever down here that you step on and pull the backrest across. And then you've got conference seating in the back. This jump seat, people call this an 8-passenger van, but the jump seat doesn't actually have a belt. They never do. You don't really have 8-passenger seating. OEM painted steel wheels. Big fan of these windows. They slide rather than crack open, so you actually get, it's kind of camping friendly, especially when you've got the 8-passenger car and you can sleep in the back quite easily. Currently the van is at 66,665.5 kilometers. anything under here. It is in great shape. It's looking for diesel. The fuel door there, it says diesel.